Drains can be complicated. They all aren't easy like some people think. So I'm working on 2 back-to-back showers slash bathtub here. Pretty much impossible to unclog from the shower floor drain or the tub overflow. So I had to cut into the wall in order to go through the vent. So I was able to get it unclogged, thank God. And I'm going to rebuild the vent to add a clean out. And the homeowner is going to put a panel here, that way we can access it next time, because he may not want to do permanent repairs.